I'm Ray. I work with Comfort Supply in the commercial department. We've been a leading VRF distributor in the area for over 30 years. The job we're at today is the Allegheny Housing Authority Brackenridge Hall Apartments job. This job is 50 apartment units utilizing Mitsubishi VRF and Inaba Danko line set covers. So with this job, the challenge was having enough space in the ceiling to put our branch controllers. The solution to placing our branch controllers in the building wasn't able to be achieved, so instead we had to place our branch controllers on the roof. By utilizing Inaba Danko, we were able to cover the line sets going from the condenser to the branch controller and to a pipe chase down the side of the building.
The RD makes the installation look 100 times better than if you just came up here and there were line sets just everywhere on the roof. The line sets, they are easy to install. You can make them look as best you can. They don't look perfect all the time. With this covering, it makes it look like a much better install. I would say this is top of the line compared to other options, which would be your UV wrap, UV paint. You can wrap it in aluminum jacketing. It's just a lot more sturdy. It's going to last you a lot longer.
The biggest issue we run into with not having the line sets protected is other trades treading on them, laying things on them, damaging the line sets in the installation. The Slimduct RD really keeps damage from occurring to all the line sets after install, keeps the sun off them, keeps the elements off of it, and allows us a little bit more freedom in our piping.
RD made this job look incredible, in part to the installers and their willingness to work with the product, but the RD itself makes the job look professional, clean, and protected.
I would use Slimduct by Inaba Danko on any project that I do moving forward. I would recommend it to engineers. I would even recommend it to my competition, other contractors. It's a world-class product, makes the job look amazing.